How to change your TikTok app language. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your TikTok app language easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there. And now click on setting and privacy. And you're gonna find add language, click on it. And here you can change your app language by choose any language you want, and just when you are done, click on done, and automatically your app's gonna change to this new language. So easy and quick. For example, let's say French and click on done up there, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.